just making a coffee right now. I like to actually grind the beans fresh. Also this week, really exciting, I will show you, I'm getting my room lime washed, so I'm having it painted. I need to just figure out what I need to film. I'm on the way to pick up my dogs, but I'm having some friends over for dinner tonight, so while I'm out over here, I'm gonna stop by Erewhon and just grab ingredients. I think I'm gonna do like an Italian themed dinner, so I think we'll do like a vodka sauce pasta and then chicken Milanese and then maybe like an arugula salad. I'm just gonna pick up my mom. It's been a little bit. I need to pack for New York, so I thought I would film this part. I love watching people pack and pick out their outfits, and I know some of you guys like when I do that, so here we go. I want to say a huge thank you to Free People for sponsoring today's video. So Free People has their own brand. It's called We the Free. Vegan leather goods. They have your everyday basics like tops. I got this amazing cape like that I'm definitely bringing with me. I want to show you guys everything that I got. The quality is obviously amazing, and a lot of these pieces can be styled like perfect for the fall time holiday season. Okay, this sweater jeans combo is really cute. It's both We the Free. It's really great quality, and I love the color as well. Lilac. Also do it untucked. I also just love how these jeans fit, and I love the wash. You know what? These jeans really are giving like Aunt Becky Full House. That's what I feel like, my mom. Only in New York for like a day, and I'm doing a carry-on, so I don't think I actually have room to bring every sweater, but everything I put on, I'm like, this is what I'm bringing. And I love how it looks from the back. This top is obviously coming to New York with me. It comes everywhere with me. I already spilled on it. Classic Olivia. Can't wear anything white, but I do. Just comfortable, but it's really chic. I love the sleeves. I think it's perfect. This is me in a sweater. I'll probably wear this on the airplane, or I'll definitely pack it if I have to wear like a bigger jacket on the airplane. By the way, I think I've said this, but everything is We the Free. Cozy for fall. I think it's really chic with the neck. These two things are attached, so you can do like a 1 situation, a 2 situation. You can leave them hanging if you want. I love the color brown. This is like a chocolate brown. It's kind of a mix between a sweater and a top. And then I also have the jeans in another color, so I'm gonna try those really quick. I also love the wash of this jean. It has a rip, which I actually really love, and I think it's really like cool and casual. But for New York City, I might do the other jeans just cause what if there's a breeze and then my kneecap gets cold? This is the same style of jean, just different colors, and then obviously this one is a tear. But they're really comfortable and really, they honestly feel like sweatpants. They're really soft. Let's make dinner. We're gonna prep the Milanese, and I like to make my own breadcrumbs because I'm gluten-free. I normally just use this brand, and they can be a little bit plain. Add some seasonings. I do like a little bit of different crackers and chips that are gluten-free with good flavor, and then blend them all up. So I'll do that. I like adding these in. They give some nice flavor. Furniture delivery. So they're just delivering a dresser. I'm gonna have it go under here. Good morning. It's early. I have a photo shoot today. So I'm up and at 'em. I'm getting my walls slime washed while I'm at the shoot. So I'll show you that when we get home. Sun's not really even out yet. Gotta turn the lights on. Okay. My prep at the moment is just have my eye patches, and then I did like a really thick moisturizer. Probably ice roll my face too. Coffee's brewing. This ice roller in particular gets so cold in the freezer. Like in the fridge it gets cold, and then in the freezer it gets like ice. It's amazing. My coffee, and then I'm just making, I got these cute toiletry cases. I put cinnamon in this, by the way. I'm making my friend some goodie bags with some product I have, so I'm gonna put them in these cute bags and just give them some goodies. Like, these are the best. Hourglass, Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, headed out. I'm so tired. I feel a little sick and I have an early flight tomorrow morning, but hopefully it's just from the lunch I ate at set. Like, it was from a restaurant in Malibu, but I don't know, it's the chicken or something is not sitting right with me. I feel like I'm gonna vomit. Anyway, I told you my room was getting lime washed, but turns out we actually have to prime it first, so everything is covered. I'm going to pack really quick, and then I honestly need to eat something for dinner, and I'm gonna sleep on the couch tonight and watch movies and just chill. But I think I'm just gonna have a bowl of cereal. Otherwise I would show you what I'm cooking, but that food really didn't sit right with me, and I don't want real food. I'm watching Great British Baking Show.
Built from orange sponge, surmise. Orange sponge egg with olive oil, olive oil. Yeah. Wrapping pack, I'll be speaking to each sewing machine.
Okay, I'm gonna get ready and then we'll catch up. But this hat is really cute. It has little bows. It's from Mad Happy. Okay, we're gonna get dressed. The goal is to get 20,000 steps and a coffee. Wait, 20,000 feels like a lot.
What?
Do you always get 20,000 steps?
It's really not that much.
Really? Okay.
I mean, time by.
Not bye, they're staying with us. Oh, and good morning.
Hi and hi.
Hi and hi. Also changed because it was a little colder than anticipated. So far we've just been walking around, got a coffee. We came back to the apartment because Holden has a meeting, and then we'll go back out and walk again. Okay, while Holden's doing her meeting, just exporting Sunday's video, which will already be up like a long time ago. While you're watching this, it will probably have been up last week or the week before. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it. I really like this video. I worked very hard on editing this one. I feel like that's the thing with YouTube and videos sometimes. Like, don't get discouraged if you're trying to start and you feel like I don't have like the right equipment and the right lighting or cameras, because as much as all that is obviously important, but I think your video can really come to life with editing and once you find your style. And I'm completely self-taught. Like, I edit all my videos. I started when I was 14 obviously, and I was just watching videos on Final Cut Pro, like tutorials on YouTube. I just like kind of found my style, but yeah, it takes time, but it definitely like changes the video in my opinion. So this one I feel like is really well edited, which makes me like this video more. And then there are like pockets within the video that you can find like how to edit it well, like in certain cuts that pair with certain music, and I don't know, it works in my brain somewhere. Exporting this and then sending it to my agents right now. Okay, now we wait. I'm wearing the Weave Free jeans. They're so comfy and cute. Trees are amazing. It moved. These people did a really cute job too. We're walking to get brunch, in case anyone cares. I forgot about you yesterday, I'm sorry. We basically just walked around and shopped, but today we're going to brunch with all my best girlfriends at my favorite restaurant, and I'll try to remember to film. I'm sorry I abandoned you. I'm feeling pretty good for the fact that we went to bed at 5 o'clock in the morning. A little tired.